Hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in Your Pocket. And today we are exploring a secret website which helps you get results from ChatGPT, Claude, Mistral, Llama, and whatnot. All the major LLMs are in your one website now, that is i2.ai. Here you can see that you can give it just a simple prompt, and eventually all the LLMs would get start giving you an output on the same window. So you can compare, get a summarized results and whatnot. So let's stop talking and let me show you the action. Will software development end in 2026? So this is a prompt that I'm trying. Let me hit enter and then you will see the magic. Now you can see so many LLMs are now working. ChatGPT, AI21, Quen, Llama, Mistral, and you're getting results from everyone. Be DeepSeek, Grok, Quen, all the results are coming out, and here you can see that it is also giving you shared results. Okay, what is the final summary, the core that you get? Software development will not end in 2026. It will continue evolving and growing. New technology and challenges will drive ongoing demand. Automation and AI will transform. Maintenance and updates of existing software ensure steady work. So these are the crux, the kind of word cloud that is getting extracted from all the LLMs. And what are the different LLMs available for free? That is Gemini, Llama is there, Mistral, Claude, Amazon Nova, Moonshot Kimi, ChatGPT, DeepSeek, AI21, Quen, Z.A, GLM, Grok A, and whatnot. There's so many LLMs that are giving an output, and you get a summary too like this, which is quite interesting. Let me try out another prompt. What happens if the world has just one religion? Let's hit enter. Again, you can see that everyone is giving an output. This would be interesting to see what are the shared results, what is the crux that we're getting. One religion could reduce conflicts and promote unity. Cultural differences, diversity would occur, and here you can see the percentage, how what are the different variety of outputs we are getting from all the LLMs, and you can even copy paste share these results from different LLMs too, which is very interesting. If you see, this is the best part that I can see. You get an entire summary. You get what different LLMs think, how AI thinks for a given topic, and you can take a screenshot, share with your friends, and what not. This looks to be a very exciting platform, i2.ai, and this is free to use as well. So what are you waiting for? Do try it out now and let me know in the comment section what are you using it for. Thank you so much.